So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you just want to go into Google and just type in stor. Now you want to scroll down past the sponsored ads like so. And basically once you're on the official stor site, you can basically just click on continue and it'll easily take you to the setup process. You need to enter in a username you want to be associated with your account, as well as a name, phone number, and password. And once you've actually created an account, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you can actually go to this option called My Store just on the left hand side of the screen, and you can basically create a landing page like so. Now creating a landing page, it might look something like this. Right here, this is an example landing page. A couple different cookbooks, supplements, or other things that they're trying to sell on this page like so. And you can basically click on them and just see their selection of items, whether that be on Amazon, the sale they're trying to make that you can see right here. You can actually purchase it with this site. And I'm going to show you basically how to create this from scratch. Now you can see right here, you just want to click on the create option. And from here, you're going to want to click on digital products. Now, once you've clicked on this, you can see right here, this will basically just walk you through the entire process. You can actually see right here, this is the current example one on the right hand side of the screen. It shows you your title as well as the price, as well as the description and any other bullet points and how much it actually costs and where the purchase button is. You can basically modify this with these simple links that you can edit on the left hand side of the screen. You can see right here, if I just change this title, just like so, delete this thing, you can see right here, it'll simply change your title and you can change your image like so. It's really easy to set up. Basically, you can just edit these and click on publish or save as draft. And basically, if you want to view your sheet, you can simply click on it and then you can go to the other options here, click on advanced, and you can see your URL of your store right here. And basically, if we just go to a new tab and open it like so, you can see right here, this right here is my example one that I've just created. You can always add more images or change anything you'd like. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below, and happy creating.